Okay, good morning. My name is Yvonne Varela, and I will present brief introduction to phonetics and phonology in front of the basic that we must know about intonation and pronunciation, gesturing and using the different muscles of the mouth. Okay, phonology and phonetics are subdisciplines of linguistics that deal with sounds. Phonetics is what provides objective um, way to describe, to analyze the different variety of sounds used each existing language. Phonetics articulates and identifies each organ with precision and muscle that are related to speech that are involved are the different existing language. Okay, for pronunciation, we must take into account. I understand the nature of the noun, but now what we know. Phonetic example: consonant sound is nasal. Example: room, mother, mat, more, or and noun, body, new, and third. The form pronunciation is with F and with W are phonemes because they difference the meanings of the words fish and wish, as well as A and I in the case of the word wish and wash. The pronunciation, intonation, vowels, consonant, word straight, and sentence straight the correct word order is as follows. The part is nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs. Example: I ride my bike for exercise. In I, pronoun ride is verb, and my is adjective bike. Noun for is prepositions, and exercise is noun. I know this imagine told about the place and adjective. The lip, the alveolar, right, plate, velum, uvula, larynx, glottis is very important to look and the part use the muscle gesturing uses the different uh, for pronunciation and the uh, about sounds is the consonants. The consonant sound is lip, the alveolar, palate, velum, glottal, and nasal. In this margin to look and what the consonant sound use for the different part of mouth. Example, labiodental is F and B. Interdental is a little bit a mouth, and the tongue is I don't say bilabial is PBM and W. Alveolar is tongue is up in the mouth is TDSCNL, and the velar is KJN, and glottal is H. The English consonant is a little bit example. We use the mouth. You look at me, and the mouth and the lips. The lips is use this part and the pronunciation with a little bit strong. Example: power, paper, popular, princess. and with my T and my inferior lip, baby, better, vegetable, and beer. With interdental is tongue and T. Thursday thing 13,000 those that this they. With alveolar is time with the tongue up, time, toe, talk, tiger, baby with D, they, dinner, dog, drink, and dirty. And labiodental is phone, Facebook, food, photographer. Very, violet, vibration. This is a little bit a class for a pronunciation, and his student uses the different muscle of the mouth. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your attention and for this class. Thank you so much. No sé, está muy chido.